Hi students, today we'll be doing English chapter 1.5, The Necklace. Now this is a story written by Guy de Maupassant. This story revolves around a young girl named Mathilde, her aspirations, her dreams, then how her aspirations lead to the different experiences that she has in her life. We'll start with the chapter The Necklace. Mathilde was a pretty and charming girl born as if by an error of fate into a family of clerks. Now here it is said that Mathilde was a very pretty and charming girl, and by error she was born into a family of clerks. मतलब बहुत ही अच्छी चार्मिंग यंग गर्ल थी जो गलती से एक क्लर्क की फैमिली में बॉर्न हो गई थी. Then she had no means of becoming known, understood, loved, or be wedded to an aristocrat, and so she let herself be married to a minor official at the Ministry of Education. Now उसके पास ऐसा कोई ज़रिया नहीं था by which she could be known. She wanted to become famous, to be loved by everyone, and she wanted to be married to a big royal family, someone in a royal family. But she could not because she was poor, and so she got married to a minor official at the Ministry of Education. So the person whom she got married was a minor official, यानी कि छोटी मोटी नौकरी करता था ऑफिस में at the Ministry of Education. She dressed plainly because she never had been able to afford anything better. She suffered endlessly, feeling she was entitled to all the luxuries of life. She suffered because of her shabby, poorly furnished house. All these things that another woman of her class would not even have noticed tormented her and made her resentful. Now she dressed very plainly, means बहुत ही सादे कपड़ों में रहती थी क्योंकि इससे बेटर वो अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाती थी, खरीद ही नहीं पाती थी. देन शी सफ़र्ड एंडलेसली, बहुत सफ़र किया उसने क्योंकि उसे जो लग्जरीज लाइफ में चाहिए थे वो कभी मिल नहीं पाए. देन शी सफ़र्ड बिकॉज ऑफ हर शैबी पुअर हाउस. तो जिस घर में रहती थी वो भी उसका स्टेट भी, उसका कंडीशन भी इतना अच्छा नहीं था, फर्नीचर एकदम पुराने थे. So she suffered because of that. Then all the things that other women of her class would not have even noticed. तो उसके क्लास के जो वुमेन है जिन्हें पता है कि उनका इकोनॉमिकल स्टेटस क्या है, तो वो लोग कभी इस चीज़ों को बॉदर नहीं करेंगे. लेकिन सिंस Mathilde wanted a much more luxurious life, she always noticed all these small things, and she suffered and she thought over them again and again. She dreamed of a grand palatial mansion. Palatial यानी कि एक पैलेस जैसा. तो उसका सपना था कि उसको एक महल जैसा घर चाहिए with vast rooms and inviting small rooms. जैसे पैलेस में घुसे तो बड़े कमरे हो, फिर उसके बाद छोटे कमरे हो. Then perfumed for afternoon chats with close friends. तो ये सारे मतलब पूरे पैलेस में खुशबू फैली हुई हो. एंड देन देयर शुड बी फ्रेंड्स, क्लोज फ्रेंड्स हु आर इन्वाइटेड ओवर देयर टू स्पेंड टाइम विथ हर. सो ये उसका सपना था. शी वांटेड अ हाउस लाइक दिस. Yet she had no rich dresses, no jewels, nothing, and these were the only things she loved. She wanted so much to charm, to be envied, to be sought after. तो इसके बावजूद उसके पास कोई रिच ड्रेसेस नहीं थे, अच्छे अच्छे ड्रेसेस, ज्वेलरी और ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था जिससे वो किसी को प्लीज़ कर सके, चार्म कर सके, एनवीड कर सके, यानी कि दूसरे लोग उसे देख के जले. तो ऐसा कुछ भी उसके पास नहीं था. She had a rich friend, a former schoolmate at the convent, whom she avoided visiting. because afterwards she would weep with regret, despair and misery. तो उसके पास एक फ्रेंड थी, भले ही उसके पास कुछ भी नहीं था जो लग्जरियस था, लेकिन उसके पास एक रिच फ्रेंड थी. शी वॉज रिच, जो उसकी फॉर्मर स्कूल मेट थी, जो अभी स्कूल में उसका पढ़ाई हो चुका था. तो शी वॉज अ स्कूल मेट एट द कॉन्वेंट. But she avoided meeting her. Why? Because when she met her, she saw her. She is living a very grand, luxurious life, and she used to see herself living so poorly. So she would regret and she would cry for that. Okay, with despair and misery. तो उसे लगता था मेरी हालत देखो और मेरी फ्रेंड देखो, शी इज़ सो रिच, शी इज़ लिविंग सो नाइसली. तो इस बात पे वो बहुत दुखी हो जाती थी. One evening her husband came home with an air of triumph. With an air of triumph. Triumph means victory. So he was very happy. That means. So he came home with an air of triumph. That means he was very happy, holding a large envelope in his hand. Look, he said, here's something for you. So he told Mathilde, look here, here's something for you. She tore open the paper and drew out a card on which was printed the words. So she tore the paper and she drew out a card on which it was written, the Minister of Education and Madame George Rapagno request the pleasure of Mr. and Madame Loisel's company at the ministry on the evening of Monday, January 18th. Now Mathilde was very interested in big luxurious parties and all. So this was a very big event which was going to be held at the Ministry of Education on January 18th, and her husband, he was sure that Mathilde will be very happy hand when he would hand over this envelope or this invitation to her. But what happened? Instead of being delighted as her husband had hoped, she threw the invitation on the table resentfully, यानी कि sadly, and muttered means said. So instead, खुश होने की वजह, what happened? She threw the invitation on the table sadly and said, what do you want me to do with that? तुम क्या चाहते हो कि मैं इस invitation के साथ क्या करूँ? And what do you expect me to wear if I go? और अगर मैं जाती भी हूँ तो तुम क्या expect करते हो कि मैं क्या पहनूंगी? Now here, why do you think she was sad? This is because now she had the invitation. She could go to a very royal party, a royal gathering. But if she is going somewhere very nice and very luxurious place, then she has to be dressed like that. So he hadn't thought of that. So her husband had never thought of that he had got the invitation. But what about the dresses and everything that they have to be dressed up for that gathering in the same manner as everyone will be there? Then her husband said, he stammered, he said, why? The dress you go to the theatre in, it seems very nice to me. So they go to the theatre whenever they have time. So that time which dress she wears, the husband says that it's a very nice dress. He stopped, stunned, distressed to see his wife crying. Then he was very sad to see his wife crying because of the thing that she could not get properly dressed for the event. He stuttered, what's the matter? Let's see, Mathilde. How much would a suitable dress cost? Then he asked Mathilde, let's see, if we had to buy a new dress for you, what would it cost? Let's see if we can do it. We can buy for you something.